This is a demonstration video of the EAR record player. I'm just going to show you how to use it so that you'll be familiar with it when you receive it. When you receive it, the first thing you'll need to do is to screw down the two transit screws on the record deck, located here and here, and screw those both down fully clockwise so that the deck floats on its springs. And obviously if you retransport the player in a car, for example, screw those back up to keep the deck secure in transit. On the front you have the two main controls for on-off, volume and tone at the bottom. On the deck you have the speed dial on the left and the start-stop dial on the right. So you can stack between 1 and 10 records, and I'll demonstrate with 2 just so that you can see how it plays. So just pop the records onto the spindle ledge and put the stacker arm across, select the correct speed, and then start the auto changer. Just flick the right hand control knob all the way around. And if you want to skip to the next record, just flick the right hand control knob all the way around again.
The moon was yellow, and the night was young. A smile brought us together, and I was wondering whether we'd meet again someday. The moon was...
So I'll just demonstrate with the start of a 12-inch record as well. When you stack a 10 or 12-inch record onto the spindle, you need to make sure the record is stacked above the horizontal lever at the back, because the horizontal lever is the size selection arm, and it's this lever which tells the arm to land in the correct position.
Sweet, sweet Sue, sweet, sweet Sue.
Every little star,
Sweet Sue,
knows the one I love, sweet Sue.
sweet Sue,
Just you
sweet Sue.
and the moon that night knows the reason I, sweet Sue,
Sweet Sue.
it's you.
And of course the arm lifts off automatically at the end of the record and switches off. If you don't want to use the auto changer and you just want to play one record manually at a time, then you can just select the correct speed and just pop the record down the spindle onto the mat and just select the first option on the right hand dial which says on manual, and that starts the turntable turning, and you can then just place the arm onto the record yourself. Once the arm is on the record and it's playing, carefully lower the stacker arm down so that it knows to switch off automatically at the end of play. If you leave it playing with the stacker bar in the upright position like so, that will trigger the repeat function, which is for 7-inch records only, and the same 7-inch record will play over again until manually switched off. So I hope that covers everything, but of course if you do have any questions I'll include my email address in with the machine, as that is the quickest way to contact me.